Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw the super popular NeeDoh Cube. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon NeeDoh Cube, let's begin right here. I'm going to make a rounded corner and I'm going to bring this line over. Leave a little bit of space and I'm going to bring this line up and down. We're going to bring this line down and out a little bit, and I'll do that same thing here. Let's kind of curve it around and then connect it up to here. Next, let's bring this line out at an angle, and then same thing here. Then we'll kind of bring this up and down, and then same thing here to kind of give it a little more of like a 3D look. Next, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines kind of right around the edges of here. Then we can write the word NeeDoh on here. Let's start at the end. Let's go ahead and make two little lines here. We're going to bring this in and we'll kind of curve this down and up. We'll make this line come down and then we'll curve this up. Bring this down and around across. We'll bring it down and then out to here to connect. We'll make a curve here for the E. We'll bring this across, down and up. Bring this down and around like this. Then we'll curve this up. We'll come down and then up and down like this. We're going to do kind of the same thing on this E by bringing it down, but we're going to make it a little bit longer. We'll curl this around and back in. We'll make this little shape for the inside of the E. Then let's curl this up, and then this one's kind of going to go down and then up to connect. Let's curl this line down for the D, and we're going to bring it over here. We'll come in and down to connect. Then we'll do a little oval shape inside of here. The O is going to be very easy. We're just going to make an oval shape, a little bit at an angle here. And we'll put more of a circular shape inside. The H, I'm going to make a curved line here and a curved line like this. Let's bring this down and out. And we'll do the same thing here. Bring this down and out. Curl it around here. And then we'll curl it around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a NeeDoh Cube. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.